Hi friends, this is Excel Guru Rajinikanth, and here query asked by one of our friends. Okay, so we are moving to the file. Now here is the query. What the person asking is he wants to add total visiting first appointment, second appointment for location TH in 2020 to 2021. Is no one is there, so one. In 20 only one is there. Okay, so you have to count. See, if I look in 2021 from TH location, the second appointment, not the first appointment, the second appointment. You have to count the second appointment only for the year of 2021 as per month. In January 86, February 233, March 290, all those things. Okay, so we have to find total count of the visitors for the particular month, that is Jan or Feb, from the location TH. And is it second appointment or first appointment? If it's first appointment, you have to pick up only the first appointment visitors count. Okay, let's do it. If you have any doubts, ask me. I will here to explain you guys. Okay. So first of all, what you'll do? First of all, what I did, I took a unique count, with a unique value, and did data validation over here. Three are there: PH, TH, and SH. And same like this. First appointment, second appointment, and third appointment. Same like this. And here also the 2 years are there totally. 2020 and 2021. Okay, 2 years are there. As per year, location, and the appointment. But summits will not work here. Summits will work only when you are like to count in rows only. But here there is a column also there. You have to count column as per column. The condition is as per column. So here we will go and we will check it. First of all, what you will do? First of all, we have to find what is the month. Here dates are there. Okay, here dates are there. So you have to find the months. To convert months, see, before like that, I will explain you here. Text of days, comma, MMM. So it will pick up only the month from the date. Okay, like that. What I'll do here, first of all, he did like this. First of all, I like to explain you. So I remove that one. So much big data. Still here only I'm taking F file. Here it is like this. Special blanks. I think it is there. Okay. So I removed all those things and make it blank. Okay. So I remove that one by selecting the blanks and searching for null, and we are removed with a blank space and it's blank. Okay. So here is the particular. Now we have to count text of the whole data from C to 6921. F4, jumping into the formula. Okay, no. B2, what we have to count this one. Okay, B2 to D62921. 69, comma, MMM. Then, so what I'll do here, what I'll do, just to show you, I remove only 21, later I will add, but it will not work if I press F9 over here. For that reason, I am decreasing some values by deleting one, later I will add F9. All converted into Jan. Okay. What I do, just I'll add back. what I'll do, multiply by F4 equal to this one. F4, it should not move anywhere because I want to move it. But also I have to do one thing, equal to, okay, here is two conditions over. Third condition, what is that? Total 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 conditions. Okay, now add name like location. Now I will add E2 to E6921. Okay, the area is the same. Equal to, insert anything in GH. Okay, I'll lock this place first of all. That's the same F4 function key. Here also F4 function key. Now, another condition is here dates are there, so you have to convert it to years. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll copy this one. Copy. There are year of whole thing equal to F4. Right? But where is G? Here I should not drop. I want to drop only the row. Okay, it will not work. Why? Because it will take this much. Okay, so it's showing that one. So what I'll do, I'll decrease something here to show you what will happen. Next to what will happen. That I'll add to one to show you this one. Okay, now I'll highlight only to one deleted, right? Okay. F9. See, all zeros and some ones are there. Some ones are there and some zeros are there. So easily you can count how many ones are there. It's an array because text is expecting a single value, but I gave a whole data. Okay, it's expecting a single thing. Okay, so here now what I'll do, simply I go to here, some product whole thing, some product of whole thing. Let's think it's true. Then let's try, guys, with ourselves. Whole panel. Now I'll do enter. The array function takes some time to calculate the whole. Let it to change. Verify ourselves as true. So it is moving. When something is moving here, so we have to go back to the formula as so it is here is so not so should not here this one should be 3. Can blocking the control it will show you. See, the visitors first appointment, sorry, second appointment visitors. Those are second appointment visitors. If I change to first appointment for GH, will take less thing so that we can easily check it out as well as I'll do filter. I'll show you anything there. December, yes, in December 11. SH First appointment set. First appointment December. Set. First of all, filter set. First appointment that will take December here. Only December 2020. Don't want this one. Only December. Let's check. It should be 11, right? First, second appointment. First or second appointment. Okay. Count first one here. Sorry, first appointment. Totally restricting. You have to use totally restricting. For some rows are hidden. Total of what we say count. Not total. This count will count only visible values. Only visible values. That count will count everything, but this count will count only the visible values. Whichever values are visible, that count that one it will count, not the hidden. Okay. Now, thank you guys. Thanks for your support. Wish you many happy, prosperous, and New Year for each and every person in the world. Not only the subscribers, everyone. For me, there is no differentiate like this. Okay. Thank you so much.